Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the Tecno phone. Charge it above 50% and back up photos and contacts so you can act without risk. Next, reboot into safe mode to isolate whether a downloaded app causes restarts. If the problem stops, an app is the culprit. Once done, go to Settings Battery and inspect recent battery and app usage to spot high drain or crashing apps. Make sure to note any apps installed shortly before the issue began, because those are the prime suspects. You now perform deeper system checks. Reboot into recovery mode and clear the system cache partition to remove corrupt temporary files that can trigger reboots. Then, back in the OS, uninstall any recently added or suspicious apps, or update them if updates exist, because bad app builds often crash the system. Also check Settings System Software Update and install any available Tecno or Android updates. Manufacturers release fixes for random restart bugs. Once you finish with final remedies and a key troubleshooting tip. If software steps fail, perform a factory reset after backing up. This clears persistent software corruption. Also inspect battery condition. Physical swelling or capacity below 80% can cause auto restarts, so replace the battery if needed. Make sure to test the phone after each change rather than doing everything at once. If restarts persist despite resets and a healthy battery, bring the Tecno to an authorized service center for hardware diagnostics and board-level repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.